When you become that mentally tough, when you become that emotionally tough, none of those external forces can pull you down. Life does not happen for people who are low on energy. Life does not happen for them. There are 5 energies we're going to talk about. First one, mental. Second one, physical. Third one, spiritual. Fourth one, and fifth one, social. And let me tell you, there's a lot of ignorance still in most of the people when it comes to these energies. Outside with the hey, 90% of the people, they actually do not understand energies. They get to a certain level, but they don't have a holistic life. They do not have the fulfillment. They do not have the happiness because they don't truly understand what are the energies. So we're definitely going to talk about the energies. Okay, and why are the energies important in life? You already know it. If there's no energy, imagine a Ferrari without the fuel. Can you imagine a car? Ferrari, solid car, solid potential, high speed, powerful machine, but there's no fuel. There's no energy in it, right? So you all are Ferraris or whatever brand that you like, whatever cars that you like. You all are Ferraris. You all have huge potential. But that potential will remain untapped if you do not unlock your next level of energies. And I still remember the day when my energy shifted. It's so crucial. Remember I shared a story with you when I was in a job. I shared a story, right? And I was in a job for 13 to 16 years. When I used to walk in the office, I said, morning, 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 morning. After I had this awakening and I started walking on the path of enlightenment, here's what my energy was. Hey, morning, 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 morning. What's up, what's up, what's up? Oh, like, oh, kya ho gaya? Daru chada kya hai subah. Right? Because my energy, first thing that will change in your life, before your finances changes, before your life changes, before your relationship changes, the first thing that will change is your energy. Right? Life does not happen for people who are low on energy. Life does not happen for them. Would you agree? Yeah. And if you look around in your neighborhood, your friends, your family members, and think their energy meter. Forget about low energy. They are energy drainers. Can you think of your chacha, tao, mama, kaki? They drain the energies. Yes or no? How many of you have at least one person in your relationship, in your family, relatives, who are an energy drainer? At least one person. You want to stay away from them. Just, ew! Right? The energies repel. Because you're so optimistic, you're positive, you're driven, you're high energy, you do not want to be with the people who are low energies. Right? And then they say, kitne badal gaye ho? Tum bade matlabi ho. Tum bade gamandi ho. How many of you had that? क्या तुम कभी कॉल नहीं करते पैसों पे भाग के पागल हो गए तुम पैसों को लेके हैं क्या घमंड है तुमको घमंडी And that's what happens when you change your energies, your life changes, and the people who don't align to your vibration, who don't align to your frequency, they will be sidelined. धीरे धीरे साइड में हट जाएंगे. आपको एनर्जी और वाइब्रेशन कम नहीं करना अपनी लाइफ का. Yes? If your vibration is here, their vibration is here, you don't try to go to their vibration. Right? You stay your vibration at the same level and keep going higher and higher and higher. Whether they come along or not, that universe will decide. But you do not slow down because somebody else is not able to vibrate at a frequency. And typically, let me tell you, who's mind blown right now? Good. And you do not slow down for anybody. Whether it is your spouse, your mother, your son, your daughter. Because, moment you do that, what happens? Something within you dies. That spirit within you who's looking to explore the world, who's looking to go beyond the imaginable, it starts slowly dying because you're controlling your frequency, controlling your energy. You cannot control your energy. You can only channelize your energy. And you cannot suppress the energy. You cannot suppress the aura. It needs to, it needs to find a way. It's like nadi ka pani. You cannot just stop it. It'll become stale. The energies that you have, there is something beautiful, magical within you. You cannot stop that flow for anybody. Right? So we will understand all these through different energies. And if you understand the energy, you understood life. And I can guarantee it, things that you're going to learn in next 3 days, let me be bold, 99% people on this earth, they have no clue about. 99%, including those multimillionaires in Hyderabad. They don't. Just पैसा बनाने से कोई successful नहीं हो जाता, right? और सिर्फ कम पैसा होने से भी कोई unsuccessful person नहीं हो सकता. If you just change the vibration, change the energy in all the 5 areas, I proudly said, when I asked them, how many of you think you're successful, you're living a dream life? Just, pehle, how many successful? 4 or 5 people went up. How many are living a dream life? All the hands went down. I said, you know what? I can proudly say, I am living my dream life. I'm absolutely loving my life because I truly embrace the life that I have because of the energies. I've become mentally, emotionally very strong. People cannot, destroy me, distract me, slow me down. Kitne bhi hate videos bana le. कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. When you become that mentally tough, when you become that emotionally tough, none of those external forces can pull you down. I have really got to a great point that external forces cannot bring me down. Physically, I think I am really in the best shape of my life so far. It's definitely work in progress, physically fit and healthy. Right? And then, what is the third one? Spiritually. How many of you think I have really grown spiritually in the last few years? Yeah? Like, I'm not Sadhguru, but you also have grown spiritually. So, I'm on the best of my life in terms of spirituality as well. Finances. How many of you think I'm making decent amount of money? I have this family here. Am I rich socially? Very rich, right? Kiski family hogi itni zabardast? Itne sare log. Socially, I'm doing well. They may be making a lot of money, but all the 4 areas is not helping them to build a dream life. This is my dream life. Life-wise, lifestyle-wise, health-wise, money-wise. Thank you. And guess what? This is exactly what I want for all of you. Each and every one of you, I want that. When somebody asks you, "Aur life kaisa hai?" You don't say, "Just good." I want you to say, "I'm living a dream life." Yes? How many of you like that? Come on, passion,